Okay, I have got a Maytag French Door refrigerator with bottom freezer pull out. This is in excellent, like new condition. I just want to show it off here. That way you know it works. Got my bottle of frozen water down in here. These guys push back. So you have the bottom drawers, top drawers, plenty of freezer space there. And then this has tons of options. It's got a door alarm, so if for some reason the door was left open, it's going to let you know. Water, ice cubes, all that works. Then you can adjust the temperature right here for the freezer and for the fridge. It's got, when you put a new filter in, you can reset the filter for the water, and it's going to let you know. Light can be on auto or just on. And then I'm not really sure what vacation mode is, but I'm sure it's useful. Pretty cool. So that light's kind of neat there. Just turn that off. I'm going to show you the inside. You've got your places. Oh, real quick before I lose all my temperature, I want to show you that it is cooling like it's supposed to. And I've had it open taking some pictures, but temperature gun shows you that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to. It's nice and cold. The inside here, right where it's supposed to be. So let me snap a couple pictures here. That way I can put them. I like to know that, you know, what I'm gonna buy works before I spend my money, so that's why I do these videos, is that so people know it works before you come spend your money and get it home, plug it in. But you've got places for water bottles, soda cans, even these taller energy drink styles or tea fit in here just fine, and then the door closes perfectly, so it's kind of cool. You can put just about anything you want in there for quick access. That's for the ice maker. You get a little cubby down here. And then this has a pull-out drawer with plenty of space. And then both of these individually have control here for vegetables or fruit, which would be, you know, colder or chiller, I guess. Not really sure what that's for, but it's a little vent and air comes out of there. You can close it off. You can open it up. I guess it might be for these drawers or maybe this first shelf. Over on this side, you've got a little cubby here. And space to put more stuff. And you can move these around too, so you could put that on top and those on bottom, or however you want to do it. And all these shelves in here can be moved around. And this guy right here is actually adjustable. You just turn this and it goes up or it goes down, so it's kind of neat. And I'm going to leave it plugged in, so for whoever wants to come take a look at it or pick it up, you'll be able to see that it is plugged in and working, and everything's nice and cold like it should be. So that's pretty much it. I just, like I said, wanted to show that it does in fact work. So if you have any questions on it at all, please reach out and I'd be glad to answer them. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Y'all have a great day.